Your LinkedIn profile. It's not just a digital resume. It's your personal brand, your professional identity, and a gateway to countless career opportunities. Stick around as we dive into the depths of LinkedIn optimization, exploring strategies that will elevate your profile and make you stand out in the professional crowd. Before we delve into optimization, let's understand why LinkedIn matters. Your profile is more than a snapshot of your work history. It's a dynamic platform to showcase your expertise, cultivate connections, and attract the right professional opportunities. So, let's optimize it wisely. The first step in LinkedIn optimization is to sprinkle relevant keywords throughout your profile. Think of it as SEO for your professional self. For example, if you're in marketing, ensure you include terms like digital marketing, content strategy, or SEO expert. These keywords will enhance your visibility and make you easily discoverable by recruiters searching for specific skills. 2. Craft a compelling headline. Your headline is the first thing people see. Make it count. Instead of just stating your job title, craft a headline that encapsulates your professional identity. For instance, innovative digital marketer, driving results through strategic campaigns. 3. Write an engaging summary. Your summary is your elevator pitch. Keep it concise yet impactful. Share a brief overview of your experience, expertise, and career goals. Let's say you're a project manager, passionate about delivering projects on time and within budget, with a track record of successful cross-functional team collaboration. 4. Showcase achievements with rich media content. Visuals speak louder than words. Showcase your achievements with rich media content, images, videos, presentations, or links to articles. If you've spearheaded a successful project, share a video walkthrough or visually appealing presentation. 5. Highlight relevant experience. When detailing your past roles, use action verbs and be specific about responsibilities, achievements, and quantifiable results. Instead of saying, manage projects, say, led a team in delivering a 20% increase in project efficiency within 6 months. 6. Cultivate meaningful connections. Building a robust network is key. Connect with colleagues, classmates, mentors, and industry leaders. Your network can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. 7. Engage with the community. Don't just be a passive observer. Engage with the LinkedIn community by participating in discussions, sharing insights, and commenting on others' posts. Establish yourself as an active and knowledgeable professional in your field. 8. Seek recommendations and endorsements. Boost your credibility with recommendations. Reach out to colleagues, managers, or clients for positive reviews that highlight specific skills or strengths. It's like having your own personal cheering squad on LinkedIn. Lastly, regularly review your profile. Optimization is an ongoing process. Regularly review and update your profile to ensure it aligns with your current professional goals. Keep it fresh and relevant. And there you have it, the ultimate LinkedIn optimization guide. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is your professional powerhouse. Maximize its impact, cultivate connections, and unlock a world of opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career-boosting content. Until next time, happy optimizing.